In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide your Squarespace site from search results. This is useful when you have a page that is not ready for visitors, when you are working on a private section of your website, or when you simply do not want a certain page to appear in search engines. Squarespace gives you a built-in setting for this, and you can find it inside the Page Settings area. The process is simple, but it is important to save the change at the end so the setting is actually applied. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Squarespace account and viewing the website you want to edit. Once you are inside your site dashboard, look for the Pages panel. This is where Squarespace keeps the structure of your website, including your main navigation pages, hidden pages, and other page sections. Open the Pages panel so you can see the list of pages that are currently part of your site. Take a moment to look through the list and find the specific page that you want to hide from search results. This setting is applied from the individual page settings, so it is important to choose the correct page before making any changes. If your site has several pages with similar names, pause here and confirm that you are selecting the right one. Once you have found the page, move your cursor over that page in the Pages panel. When you hover over it, you should see additional options appear. Look for the gear icon, which represents the page settings. Click the gear icon to open the settings for that specific page. This is where Squarespace keeps options related to the page title, URL, SEO settings, social sharing, and other page-level controls. After the Page Settings window opens, look for the SEO tab. The SEO tab is the section that controls how this page is presented to search engines. It can include settings such as the SEO title, SEO description, and visibility options. Since the goal is to keep the page from appearing in search results, this is the correct place to make the change. Click into the SEO tab and look for the option labeled Hide Page from Search Results. This is the setting that tells Squarespace that you do not want this page to be indexed or shown in search engine results. Once you see that option, toggle Hide Page from Search Results to On. When the toggle is turned on, the page is marked so that search engines are instructed not to include it in search results. Before moving on, it is worth noting that this does not remove the page from your Squarespace site itself. The page can still exist on your website, and depending on how your navigation is set up, visitors may still be able to access it if they have the direct link or if it is linked somewhere on your site. This setting is specifically about hiding the page from search engine results, not deleting the page or making it password protected. Now that the toggle is turned on, the final step is to save your change. Look for the Save button in the Page Settings window and click Save. This is an important final step because if you close the settings window without saving, the change may not be applied. After saving, Squarespace will keep that page set to be hidden from search results. That is the full process. Open the Pages panel, choose the page, open its settings with the gear icon, go to the SEO tab, turn on Hide Page from Search Results, and save the change. And that is all there is to it.